Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how loop control statement works. The loop control statements can be done with the help of three different ways. The one is for loop, while loop and do while loop. For loop, means you can watch the previous demo, and for while loop now I am going to show you how while loop works. So the first thing is you have to declare a variables, and you have to first include the header file. So header files are the files which contains declarations of all the built-in functions that you are going to use. Int main is the entry point where your control is going to jump at the beginning. Set vbuff is to avoid the bug which comes inside the Eclipse. This is the declaration of the variables I and num that I am going to use. This is a printf statement which I am going to write, like to ask user to enter the number to get the table. So I am printing the table, as you know, right? And here I am just going to read the number that is entered by the user. So I have to write here a while, and inside the while I am going to say I less than equal to 10. Okay, so what is this I less than equal to 10 is a condition, and what is I equal to 0 is the initial value, but I want to print a table, so I want to print it 1. So I equal to 1 is the initial value, I equal to less than equal to 10 is the condition, and here I am going to write the statement that is printf, and then I am going to write here /n %d into %d equal to %d. So what is this? This is the format specifier, and I have to print here num and then I and then num into I. So what is this num into I? This first format specifier will print the value of the num, right? And then this I will print the iterating value, that is your variable, that is I, right? And num into I will print or write the multiplication of the indexes, that is a 1 to 10. So I equal to 1 is the initial value, I less than equal to 10 is the condition that you have to put. This statement will iterate 10 times, but I have to increment the value, so that is what I plus plus I have to say here. Once I say here I plus plus, right, let me just save all the code, and let me just go to project and say build a project. So as you can see here, there is a 0 errors, and yeah, so I have to go to, yes, I have to go to run, and then I have to say run as local C++ application. So as you can see here, the statement is enter a number to get the table. So if I am going to enter a number here 2, so as you can see I am getting the table. So this num and then I and then num into I, right? So let me explain the code once again. So as you can see here, the first thing is the header file that I have to put here, so which contains all the declarations of the function that I have to use. This is the entry point main that I have to put, I have to write. This is the set vbuff to avoid the bug from the Eclipse. This is declaration of the variable that I have to use inside a program. This is printf statement which will be printed on the console, right, for user information. This is a scanf where I am going to read the number which is entered by the user. This is the I, which is initial value, right? This is the condition, that is while I less than equal to 10. So up to I 10 means it is less than 10, it will iterate. Then this is the statement which I am going to iterate. So this is the statement which is going to print the table. So first time it is going to print 2 into 1, second time it is going to print 2 into 2, third time it is going to print 2 into 3. So like this it will iterate. And this is the I, which is I am going to increment for each value where it is going to print the multiplication, and then I have to return the 0 successfully, and then I have to run the project. So as you can see here, I will get the output like this. Thank you very much for watching the video.